So before Rex, we had a very paper-based process. Some of the challenges were around getting approvals. If expenses take a month to get processed, some people could have upwards to $3,000 in expenses, not to mention reconciliation as it relates to month-end, quarter-end from a finance perspective. New process, because people can submit them so quickly and readily, they're getting processed more accurately. Rex has allowed the staff to submit their expenses in a fraction of the time compared to what they used to. This automation of our expense management system, this has allowed the salespeople to get back to their core function, driving business, working with customers, as opposed to being stuck completing an expense report for hours at a time. Today, the expense management process is completely automated. You can start with taking a picture of your receipt, enter the data online, submit it through our system. You get alerts when it's approved by your manager, alerts when it's approved by finance. I would recommend the solution to any organization that's looking to automate processes. Getting the receipts attached to expenses to a manager to approve in a quick and orderly fashion just improves the turnaround time and improves the overall experience for the end user.
So from an employee perspective, the expense management solution provides tremendous value to the employee. Helps to simplify the process, helps to automate the workflow, and ultimately give back time to all of our employees. It has created a significant level of energy, it has made everybody's lives easier, and ultimately has automated and digitized the process. So the new Rex system has absolutely helped us to unlock cost savings. It has allowed us to gain labor efficiencies in our accounts payable department, allowing that group to be able to process over 1,000 expense reports on a monthly basis with less than 50% of the work effort. In the new process, given that everything is digitized and all the workflow automated, it has allowed us to reduce our courier expenses by over 30%. As it relates to printing costs, given that the entire process is now digitized, all the paper has been removed from the end-to-end process, so our printing costs have materially reduced. So the new system does provide clear access and visibility to all of the expense reporting running through the organization. It personally allows me to have a far better handle on the expenses running through from different departments. So as a Chief Financial Officer, obviously having access to real-time information on the cost to run the business is critically important. The Rex system allows me to have that access when I need it, how I want to see it, which allows me to manage the total expenses running through the business. I would most definitely recommend the Rex solution to all organizations, regardless of size and regardless of industry. I think every organization can absolutely benefit from digitizing most of their workflows in the business, and in this particular case, helping to automate the expense reporting process.